Okay, so now I'll quickly go over the code that's included, or the basic code that makes Angular 2 work. So basically everything starts, there is index.html page, which is needed obviously because that's how most of the servers get into our initial page of our application, which is index.html. Here we have two very important things that we need for Angular, and that's this right here, node module system.js, and this is used to load the files as we need them. So the files are not loaded all at once, they're actually being loaded dynamically, and this is including the Angular. Then another very important part here, this is the system.import. This basically tells us that we will use our app folder for all our coding. So this basically tells us the app folder is going to be used for all our code to keep in. So then we jump into this main.ts TypeScript page, and it's kind of like a basic outside envelope that's used to orchestrate some of the things. It's using these import statements that are similar to using statements in C#. And then this right here, this platform dynamic bootstrap, directs us to our app module, which is another file. An app module file in detail really orchestrates everything in our app. And here, it has this ng module which defines this app module class and tells us the imports, and then it tells us these declarations which tells us what things are in my app. For now we have, this has a lot of code that won't be here. We have app component, which is our first entry to the app, and then we have bootstrap. Then we bootstrap this app component, which means we attach it. That's our app module. So here we have it broken by the section. So this first section, our app component.ts, has our initial hello Angular programming that actually just displays this hello Angular to the page. And all of these important, also another thing that I did here in workspace settings is I hid these JavaScript files, because every TS file has its underlying JavaScript file. So TS or TypeScript is actually being compiled into JavaScript, but we don't really have to work with those JavaScript files, so we use this workspace settings here to where there's two identical files, one TS, one JS, it hides the JS file. So this was a quick overview basically of our code that we need to start getting started programming with Angular 2.